Thank you so much. Yeah, we're super excited to be there. It's very obvious now that runtime security is really important for all container workloads. We see more and more runtime security being adopted, and we're super happy to be a part of the Forrester community. So securing AI workloads is really important because it's such an interesting and new technology where we see AI coding agents reaching out to various different areas, both within and outside of the corporate networks. And then with those agents, we then see that they can run things without us actually being able to observe what they're running. So being able to capture what they're actually doing during runtime is really important so we can understand how they work, what they're actually doing, and then also protect our intellectual property and protect our information so it's not being shared elsewhere. So protecting AI workloads is super, super important right now. We want to make sure that we do it the right way. Yeah, absolutely. So with static analysis, you usually get a snapshot in time where we see, yeah, this is how, this is where we were at that point in time when this application was created, and this is how it works. And we can get a really good static analysis of it. Works great. However, it doesn't show how it actually behaves in production. So it doesn't show what's actually happening when you run the application. So it's really important to choose runtime as well as static analysis, because then you get the best of both worlds. You want to understand how a project is built, but also how it's actually running. I think right now, a lot of organizations don't have proper runtime security, and they don't exactly know, as I mentioned before, what their AI agents are doing. Everyone is running AI agents on their laptops. We've got AI agents running in CI/CD systems. So just recently we announced that we're building security for AI as well, so focused on CI/CD systems, and today we're also demoing a new experimental technology for Falco, where we're securing AI coding agents on developer laptops as well. So right now, we're here at KubeCon, obviously. Kubernetes is the de facto container runtime for every organization out there, every enterprise out there. So we definitely want to make sure that we secure Kubernetes and all of the AI workloads that run on top of Kubernetes. We see Kubernetes as the de facto runtime for AI as well. So yeah, we want to make sure that everything's secure. So that's a good question. When you look at security, of course, you want to log everything, right? But it's really important that when you log everything, you cut through the noise, because there's so much noise out there. There's so much happening in larger enterprises and larger infrastructures. So with Sysdig Secure, we can cut through that noise and actually find the issues that matter. So we can easily correlate what's happening between different hosts and things like that, different containers, when something actually happens, when an attack is going on. So it's really important to be able to cut through the noise so we can easily, quickly identify and then remediate it. We usually talk about the 5-5-5 rule, where an attack takes 5 seconds, we got 5 minutes to investigate, and then 5 minutes to remediate. Well, I'm just excited for cloud native in general, and AI in general as well. And I see us having a really good foothold in both cloud native security and AI security for AI. I'm super excited to see what this will bring for the next 2 years, especially when it comes to actually understanding and securing all of these coding agents and all of the AI agents that are out there right now, so we can all use it in a more secure manner.